Smell Holistic Health, and we have another wonderful testimony today. We have Miss Jerrey with us. Miss Jerrey, tell us what you were dealing with whenever you came into our office.
Well, I was in a car wreck, and it really hurt my neck really bad, and I had to be conscious for the position of my head because it would always gravitate to the side. And the strong pain medicine wasn't even touching the pain that I was going through. But through his muscle ways and the chiropractic, it got me where I can move my head. I don't have any pain, and I'm just feeling back to my old self.
That's awesome. That's so great to hear, and we can tell the difference too, that you're in a lot less pain and you're moving better.
Oh yes.
Super cool. Well guys, if this sounds like you or something that you're dealing with, please give our office a call today. We cannot wait to help you transform your health naturally.